yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life with My Wife, and happy
Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Happy spa day.
Are you going to the spa? Yeah. All right. And then Kevin and I'll go for breakfast or something while we're waiting for him at the spa. And then we're gonna come home and make a new dessert that we just found and taste test the Hershey's no sugar.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, oh, Brodie, one of your friends is walking down the road. Look out the window. Black and white one, just like you. Are you looking?
Although we did find out that we paid double what's in the States.
Yes. For that Hershey's, because we found out at 7 something at the Walmart in Tennessee, and we paid 14. So
yeah,
that's not a huge markup with the difference in exchange.
No, but I was expecting it was going to be cheaper in the States.
Yeah, but no. So and it's beautiful. It's 8:30 in the morning. Gorgeous day out. Little chilly, but it'll warm up.
Yeah.
It is only 8:30. So, okay. We'll catch back up and see you in a bit. Brodie, did you have a good day? Do you feel better? Are all your friends in there still? Yeah. You're just ignoring us and looking around, huh, buddy?
All right. As per normal, because we have a haul, somebody's got to have something.
Oh boy. Yeah, when we're done this, we gotta do that dessert too. So it gets in the fridge.
Yeah, sure. You have to do this, sir. No. Nope. Nope. That's a you thing, not a me thing.
Everybody loves you in the kitchen.
Well, that's nice, but every once in a while you need to learn how to cook.
I have been, you jerk.
Right, buddy? Right? Don't you feel much better?
Yeah, you smell better.
You smell better?
Even though Mommy and Daddy gave you a bath. But you smell better.
It's just because whatever
they use, it's like cologne on a dog. Are you sucking up?
There's nothing here for you. You're like a whole different dog. What did you do with the other dog? Probably find him under the couch.
You're
okay.
funny, dude.
Okay, buddy. We have to do the haul.
So Brodie's groomer is on the other side of the city, so we just kind of piddled around that part of town and.
Well, okay. In relation to where we live, it's not on the other side.
No, it's not that far, but it's
south of us.
It's stupid to come all the way back.
It's on the side. It's just south.
Yeah, but it's stupid to come all the way back.
Yeah.
So
you don't have to cross the river or anything.
No. So.
But it's not really that. Like it takes. If there's no traffic, maybe 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But we ran into the train.
Coming and going.
Coming and going. So it took a little bit longer. Okay. Dollarama. You getting some stuff to do
fall centerpiece, yeah.
Fall thing. So you got some of these candles. They were $2.50. Get a headband.
Oh, just so I could put my hair back.
You haven't worn these in years.
I know.
That was $2.
Thought I would get one and try it.
That's why it threw me off a little bit.
If I don't like it, Caroline wears them.
Oh,
so.
yeah. And then these were $2.50. How many candles did we get?
3.
They only charge you for 2. There's only 2 on here. And then these.
Oh, she was the ring. She rang it up for
Yeah,
her.
$1.75.
We got 4 of those.
So $18.49. Okay. Oh, Kelly's. We stopped in a different Pennington's. Kelly got some more leggings. I guess they are.
Well, they are, but they're more like slacks.
Well, they're like a slack type.
Because they've got nice pockets and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were on sale for $17.20, so $19.26. What's the original?
I don't know. I threw it out. It was 40 something.
40 something, right?
And then they were down to 30 something. I don't know. And then another discount off that.
You have the Value Village receipt.
No, you paid.
Oh, I know I paid, but I thought I gave you the receipt.
I don't know. Prices are on it.
Yeah. Okay. What's that right there?
Dollarama.
Oh, what I just gave. Okay. Well, whatever. So we picked this up. This is a, what do you call it? A wool bowl for spooling.
Yeah, like
yarn?
when you're knitting or crocheting and it goes through and it doesn't ball up.
Yeah.
And stuff.
But we didn't buy it for us. We actually bought it for Tammy. And it was only $7.99, and it is homemade.
Mm-hmm. Well, her and I were talking about it like months ago.
Yeah.
And I said I would make her one at ceramics next time I go. But that's a nice size one. So.
Yeah, and it's actually quite nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. And Kelly got some kind of wood thing she's gonna build.
It's just a little
It's a
shelf.
little shelf.
Yeah.
Oh, it's one of the Home Depot kits.
Yeah, but it's just a little shelf.
$4.
Yeah.
That, and then she got some pumpkins
To go with the other
to
thing.
go with the other thing, $2.49.
Mm-hmm.
Safeway, we had shopped at 2 different. They had Dairyland butter on for
$4.88.
$4.88. Yeah. There we go. We got 4 of those. So that was $19.52.
Because butter is like anywhere between $6 and $9 a pound.
It's $5.80 something at Costco. It has been for quite some time, but we don't always get to Costco. Or when we do go, we always never remember, but we do try to get the butter when it's on sale a little bit. And then Safeway, we bought a roast. Kelly wanted a roast for supper. And the top sirloin roasts were on for $8.88 a pound. And that was $25.85. So like 3 pounds. Almost 3 pounds, not quite. And then buy one, get one free for the shrimp. But it's not a true buy one, get one. I rung the first one up, come to $11.79. And when I ring the other one up, it come to $12.99 and took off the $11.79. That's the advertised though. It says buy one, get one at $12.29. So you're not actually buy one, get one because they mark it up slightly.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Confused. Anyways.
That's okay. $6 each.
Yeah, and then Kelly wants to do a recipe, and we found some just like cheap bacon. It was $3.99.
Yeah. He wants that.
I know. I don't know why. Okay. Grand total $32.13, and you just.
He's like, well, if I can't reach things over there, I gotta see if it's over here. All right, let's get ready with the for the cooking part of this.
Let's not say we did.
No.
I just went through probably a spiel for about 4 minutes. Then the camera shut off, and I'm trying to figure out why. I wasn't even recording. It was the automatic power shut off. So I've already started making the custard. Anyways, okay, let's go back. We are making an easy blender custard dessert, but I'm going to use the hand mixer. The ingredients: 2 cups of milk, so you can use normal milk, heavy cream, or we're using the unsweetened almond breeze vanilla almond milk for the low carb option. 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener, so either erythritol or monk fruit, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of butter, and a tablespoon of corn starch if you want a thicker mixture. And optional, but we're not doing it, is 2 tablespoons of raisins. So as I said, I'm here doing all this and, well, wasn't recording. So I've already added in the milk, I've already added in the monk fruit and the 2 eggs. Now, what I wanted to say is we also got some of this monk fruit zero made by Splenda. I always like to put a little dash in that because I find the monk fruit itself just doesn't give quite that nice sweetness. So not very much of that in there. Now, the vanilla extract. So, a teaspoon of that. And maybe just a little bit more. A tablespoon of butter. Spatula so I can get the butter out of here. Okay. And the cornstarch. And it's a teaspoon of that, and I'm just using a 1/2 teaspoon, so I need 2 of those. We're going to mix this up. And bring it over to the stove after. So here we go. Loud noises. Okay. We'll bring it over to the stove and we'll cook this from 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so we have our stove on. Medium to high heat, I believe, is what they, no, this calls for medium heat. And for about 5 to 7 minutes. Obviously it's got to heat up first, and then we'll just cook it, and then once that's done we will throw it into our little glass jars that we have. And I don't know if you can see it as the liquid heats up. That remainder butter that didn't break up when we mixed it, it is melting. And we give it another few minutes. It's not quite caught up to temperature yet. think that's about as thick as it's gonna get. So, okay, we are gonna go pour it into the jars. There we go. Throw these into the fridge and they should be ready by the time we have supper, and we'll bring you back. Custard. It's not like 100%
Thick because
thick,
we made it with almond
because we
milk.
made it with almond milk, but it's not.
No, it's more like pudding. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm trying it without chocolate first.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Mhm.
It's almost like a vanilla pudding.
It's not as thick, but
Yeah.
I probably could have added more starch
You could have.
to thicken it up. But
And we're using this 0 sugar Hershey's. That here in Canada we have to pay a fortune for because we can't normally get it. Mmm. Oh, that did it.
mm-hmm.
Pretty good, huh?
I'm just gonna mix it right in.
Mmm. Now that works. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe it will solidify a little bit more because these don't seem like they're cold. So I don't think it's chilled enough.
I don't know.
To be determined.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't matter. It's good the way it
Still
is.
good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
All right. That works.
Are you wore out? Whoop. Are you wore out, buddy?
See, I always feel tired after the spa. Get to play with all my friends there. Get to pee on the fire hydrant. Yeah, they have a fire hydrant there, don't they? You can't have it, buddy. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun in